In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new calendar in Mozilla Thunderbird. First, open Thunderbird on your computer so we can jump right into the calendar tools. On the left side, look for the calendar option. Clicking calendar switches you from mail to your scheduling view where you can see your days, weeks, or months laid out. This is the workspace where you'll manage everything related to your schedule. Now, create something to put on that calendar. Click New Event. This opens the event editor, which is the form where you add all the details that make your calendar useful. Start by giving your event a clear name so it's easy to recognize at a glance later. If your event happens in a physical place or a video meeting room, add that in the location field. Being specific here can save you time later, and it also helps anyone you invite know exactly where to go. Some integrations can even map the address or include a join link if you paste one in. Next, choose a category. Categories are great for color coding and filtering. For example, you might separate work, personal, travel, or project-specific items. Pick a color and label that you'll use consistently so your calendar is easier to scan. If your event lasts the entire day, turn on the all-day event option. This removes specific start and end times and blocks the date as a banner across your calendar, which is perfect for holidays, travel days, or reminders that aren't tied to a particular hour. For timed events, set the start and end fields carefully. Double check the date and time, and if you work across regions, confirm the time zone so everyone sees the correct slot. If you adjust all day off and on, you'll see how the time fields appear and disappear. Next, choose Repeat and Reminder. If this is a recurring meeting, set the frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, or custom, and define when it should stop, if at all. Add reminders so Thunderbird pings you before the event. Pick a lead time that matches the task. For example, 10 minutes for a quick check-in or a day ahead for something that needs prep. Finally, use description to capture agenda points, links, or notes you'll need later. Add attachments like documents or slides, and include attendees if you want to send invitations. Thunderbird will handle the invites and track responses so you can see who's in. When everything looks good, confirm the event to add it to your calendar. That's it, your schedule just got clearer and more organized. Keep using consistent categories, thoughtful reminders, and detailed descriptions, and your Thunderbird calendar will become a reliable hub for your day.